These homeowners just got this nice stainless steel grill. Now they need something to set it in. They thought about one of those carts. You know, you can move it around your patio or pool area. They're really nice, but we're not going to do that. Instead, we're going to do something really special and custom build an outdoor barbecue. We're going to put our outdoor barbecue together brick by brick, and joining me today is a master mason. This is Bobby Gladue. Good to see you, Bobby.
Same here, Glenn.
Bobby's with Artisan Masonry. He's going to take us through the major steps on this project. We could have chosen stucco, even stone. Why did we go with the brick?
Well, all those are good products for your outdoor grill, but in this case today we use this because it's more durable, it lasts longer than stucco, and it matches our house here today.
You know, it'll match the house a lot better than stone would, that's for sure. So aesthetically, it was the product to choose.
Correct.
Now, step number one is to build a sturdy base. We've got one right here. Tell us about how you got this together.
What we did here, we cut out about 6 inches worth of dirt, we moved it, we put a 2x4 frame to support our foundation, we poured cement in there, and now we have a nice concrete pad to hold the brick foundation for the barbecue pit. Otherwise it'd be moving and it wouldn't be stable.
We've got our mortar ready here, and I should have mentioned not just bricks, but concrete blocks for our Fix It Up project today. Now, Bobby, why do we mix in the concrete blocks with the brick?
Well, it takes about 5 brick per block to use. This isn't going to be seen. This is going to save the homeowner a little bit of money, and it's going to cut down our time a little bit.
So we use the concrete block on the inside of our barbecue. On the outside, the facade is the brick.
Exactly. So that's what we're using gray mortar on the inside because it's not going to be seen.
Now we'll set the blocks 1 row at a time, 4 rows high. Along the edges, we'll have to make some cuts in order for the blocks to fit properly. And you'll notice we also have to install some wall ties. They're galvanized pieces of metal that will go in between the blocks. They'll help support the bricks so they won't separate from the concrete blocks. Our last block is in place, our island, our infrastructure is complete. These blocks in the middle, very important. They will support the bulk of the weight of our grill. Now it's on to the brick. We're using some Acme brick here. We've got white mortar to match the brick. And we're gonna start, and are we gonna just build the wall here in front first, Bobby? We're gonna build around the grill.
No, we're gonna first build the first 2 rows of brick so we know what size cuts we need, just like we did with the block.
Okay, so we will go around the grill. As far as the height's concerned, this is about 3 feet high. How high should it be? Is there a standard height for these barbecues?
Well, we determine the height when we buy the barbecue grill first, and then we find that 3 to 3.5 feet is a good height for the homeowner to be able to use the knobs and everything correctly.
Our brickwork's almost complete. What we're doing now here on the side of the barbecue is building our compartment for our propane. Now, you can't have the propane right underneath the grill. That would not be fire safe, so we have it here on the side. This is the door for it. It's nice and sleek. Now, Bobby, let's say that we wanted to tap into our gas from the house. Would we have to get a plumber in here to reconfigure everything?
Yes, you would, Glenn. You'd have to get a plumber to find out what the city codes were for that area, or that district, and they would trench behind it, come up behind the grill, and go straight into the back.
Okay. Now, I do see some ventilation right here. Is that ventilation for the grill itself or for the propane?
No, the fumes can build up from the propane, so we have ventilation there because they can become combustible. That way we can ventilate the fumes out of that opening right there.
Okay, so we're gonna finish this out with some brick on top of here, and we're just about ready to install our grill. Day 2 of our installation, our brickwork is done. We have our grill here. It's by Barbeques Galore. It's a 3-burner stainless steel turbo. Very nice, the Cadillac of grills. We built up the barbecue area so our grill would fit in snugly, and we planned on doing that, Bobby.
That's right, Glenn. We marked it and dry fit it, and we added 3 rows of brick around it so we can have a wall around it because it fits in snugly without having any screws or any mortar around it. It just fits in just like that.
Now, we're not done with the mason work yet. We actually still have to finish the countertop, but we're not going to use brick. The homeowner chose stone.
Yes, Glenn, the reason we chose the flagstone is because if we use brick, it would have more mortar joints for the homeowner have to clean up. And also it's got a bigger flat surface for them to put their pots and pans on.
Notice too, behind the grill, you don't see those limbs from the bushes or the tree anymore. We cut those down because, of course, they're a potential fire hazard. We've got this flagstone here. This is nice. The homeowner made a good choice. And we are almost done. Last bit of grouting there, finishing up our job. Took us 2 days, but it was well worth it. The grill, it really looks fabulous, Bobby. I want to thank you for all your help and expertise.
It's my pleasure, Glenn. Help me anytime.
Now the cost on the barbecue, we're talking materials and labor, around $1,500. The cost on the grill itself, $1,200. There's no doubt there'll be a whole lot of grilling going on around here all year long.